I need Hector here to do it. I can't do it by myself. I envisioned about 16 years ago a future of earthen construction that involved 3D printing, an evolving experiment that's teaching me how to do a delicate dance with this robot. It's very intimate. I'm touching the mud, I'm feeling the mud, I'm touching the hose, I'm controlling the robot, I'm moving all around it. Fingers crossed. I love the way it feels, the way it smells, the way the light falls on it, the textures. I want the audience to feel all that and also to connect between the past and the future. We naturally have a visceral connection to earthen structures, and we feel them and we understand them because we evolved to build them. My name is Ronald Rael, and this is the Adobe Oasis.